San Francisco has lost 4 straight coming in, 1-1 at home, 1-5 coming into the game. Breida back in with a 1st and 10 pitch. And hit by a ton, including Mark Barron, who allows him just a gain of 2. Rich out to the 22-yard line and a shove after the play. He had just come in from being worked on with an injury in the first series. Never saw it.
What would happen? These are the situations you want to avoid against the Rams.
Beathard hit as he throws. He'll go down. May have been Donald.
Just a 4-man rush. They do a terrific job collapsing the pocket and forcing Beathard to have to step up, and then it just gets to him. Look at the push they get.
1st and goal at the 5. Hughes check. Oh, stonewalled right there. Donald came through. 1st and 10, first play of the second half. Beathard clinch you with the block at the right tackle, but then they come through, leaking through, and they bring him down.
Trying to take a shot down the field, and it's just taken forever, and he's holding it. That's one of the things where...
4 in the secondary for the Rams. Beathard hit and brought down.
Trained to take on double teams, and they're having a problem with Donald, Brocker, Sue.
Be played. I thought that was very flattering.
Showed him what not to do. You're coaching quarterbacks.
Come on. They're down in 4. Beathard with the right track. Donald, number 4. 4th sack today.
Well, here he is, coming right in the middle of your screen, and this guy is a beast. I mean, he takes the center.
The Ram defense has no let-up in it with this huge lead.
2nd and 10. Always trying to cut, and then here comes Brockers to bring him down eventually, and losing 3 back to the 19.